Responding to an RFP in Olive couldn't be easier. You can take existing RFPs that you didn't receive through Olive and simply create a new RFP response. Some basic information, hit create, and then upload the document. So simply drag and drop a spreadsheet into the wizard. We're going to select which are the requirements, which are the sections, verify those requirements and remove any invalid requirements. These will be things that may be actually listed as sections or blank. Hit confirm and upload, and then we hit upload. When those sections are in here, you simply hit magic fill, and the system will automatically fill based on everything it knows about your solution, either from files that you have uploaded to train the AI or from the internet. Once the magic fill has done, you'll see responses populate to all the requirements, and if they don't know, they'll be listed as still to do. If you want to filter and answer those manually, we simply filter by unanswered, and then we can mass select and mass upload if we're core configurable, however we want to respond, or we can individually respond to these requirements, and those will then be into the answered field. Once that's completed, you can either send a link to Olive for your buyer to check out, or simply download the completed Excel file, which will show up in your Files tab. Simple as that. RFP responses in seconds.